How to fix Instagram contact not showing, sync problem solved. If you want to fix if your Instagram contact is not showing and then you would like to solve the sync problem, well, it's rather quite simple for us to be able to do so. Now, what we have to do for this is first of all open up Instagram and make sure we have allowed contacts access to Instagram. To check that whether or not you've allowed, come to your profile page. Once you come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and from here you'll see many options. We simply have to look for an option that says device permissions and then tap on device permissions. Over here you'll find the option called contacts. So if you've allowed your contacts access, make sure to set this to allow, but you can also set and update device settings. Open device settings, go to permissions, contacts, and you can choose to don't allow, but you have to make sure to allow the contact permission. After you do that, next time whenever you open up the Instagram application and maybe you're trying to follow somebody or anything like that, it will show you from your contacts. So these are the people that are probably within your contacts and Instagram is recommending them to you. So hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.